Final call for the doors on platform 3. Final call. Stand clear of the doors on platform 3. Doors are now closing. Stand clear. Friday afternoon and welcome aboard. This is your 4:45 train making all station stops to Bloomington Go on the Richmond Hill Line. My name's Craig. I'm your customer service ambassador this afternoon. I'm speaking to you from our accessibility coach 2540, and I'm located approximately at the center of this train. From all of us at Go Transit, we wish you the best for the Lunar New Year. Hop on Go to gather with family and friends to attend all of this year's celebrations. Visit gotransit.com/Lunar New Year and have a healthy and prosperous Year of the Rabbit. Our first station stop this afternoon is Oriole. Oriole Go is next. And on behalf of your operating crew and Go Transit, thank you very much for riding with us. We do hope you enjoy your trip.
The yellow emergency strip should only be pressed when medical